As 2021 is ending, it's time to look back at the Bollywood movies that impressed us most all over the year. The list is sorted out by combining the critic rating, audience rating, popularity and some of the personal opinions. You should also check out the best Indian movies of this year from this channel and put down your own opinions. But for now, let's look at what's on this list. Number 10. Nail Polish. Starring Manav Kaul and Arjun Rampal, Nail Polish is among the most liked Bollywood thrillers of the year.
जुर्म दिमाग करता है इंसान पर तो सिर्फ इल्जाम लगते हैं.
Released earlier in the year, the movie had got a fine response from the audience, especially for the performances. The story here is of a high-profile defense lawyer who is asked to save a man charged with killing 2 migrant workers, and in the return of his favor, he will get a seat in the parliament.
लखनऊ जाकर आपको ये केस जीतना है जयसिंह जी. उसके बदले राज्यसभा की नॉमिनेशन आपकी.
But getting the case, he discovers way more than he expected to.
He's a national treasure, yaar. इन्होंने पहले सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस में रहकर इस देश की सेवा की.
The movie, though pretty unknown for most audiences, but had some chill moments in plenty of corners.
जल्द आप समझ ले कि यहाँ पर आपका कोई दोस्त नहीं है मेरे अलावा. अच्छा होगा.
Number 9. Chandigarh Kade Aashiki. Chandigarh Kade Aashiki's main subject is a romance between a cisgender man and a transgender woman.
सॉरी जी, वो एक्चुअली ना नीचे बिजी रहती है.
The story sets in the pretty common state of Indian society where the subject matter is still considered taboo by so many people.
शादी करेगी मेरे साथ?
There's something else.
ये था दिमाग बंदल गया मेरा.
Ayushmann Khurrana has been in so many movies that bring light to a less talked about social issue. This is no different. Released recently, this one has got some decent critical responses for the subject matter despite the facts of criticism of not casting an actual transgender woman in the place of Vani Kapoor. Number 8. Shandip or Pinky Fadar. Dibakar Banerjee movies have always been appreciated. This one though might be his lowest rated movie so far, but still is admired for an intriguing technique of storytelling that grips its audience for the whole runtime.
Excuse me भैया, मुझे दिल्ली से निकलना है. आपको जितने पैसे चाहिए आप मेरे से ले लीजिए.
Shandip or Pinky Fadar mainly is about a woman running into a man while both of them unknowingly are each other's rivals.
भैया मेरे पेट में बच्चा है.
हमें क्यों मार रहे थे? बोल. तेरे साथ मैं भी मरता. किया क्या तूने?
It centers on the story of traveling with each other through cities and realizing one another's truth with heavy dramatic consequences. Number 7. 83. Released a few days earlier, 83 is massively critically appreciated as well as it's the highest rated movie of 2021 from the Times of India. 83, as we all know, is the story of the Indian cricket team winning the World Cup in 1983 with Kapil Dev's captaincy. Well, that was a team that nobody ever expected could do anything noteworthy, while winning the World Cup was too much to expect.
What do you think are your team's chances in the cup?
We here to win.
To win the World Cup?
What as we here for?
83 is praised for the performances and the direction that are said to have carried the nostalgia of such a historical moment.
I say before, we here to win.
Number 6. Ajib Dastans. Ignoring the first shot of the anthology picture, Ajib Dastans truly contains some great storytelling with beautiful visuals and use of colors.
अगर धोखा दे सकते हैं तो खाने की भी हिम्मत रखें.
Ajib Dastans tells 4 different stories, mainly with a central topic of love that destroys lives or also mends them. The third installment of the movie, Gili Puchi, bringing light to a contemporary social issue with a bittersweet relationship between 2 women, is easily the best that brings a mastery in the whole film, and it sure is amongst the finest Hindi cinema of this year.
हेलो, प्रिया शर्मा.
Number 5. Shersha. By the Tamil filmmaker Vishnu Vardhan, Shersha portrays the story of Vikram Bhatta, the Indian man who dreamt of becoming a soldier, successfully did so and led the Indian army in Kargil war and also died fighting for the country.
क्या जगह है सर? जहाँ देखो वहाँ पिक्चर पोस्ट कार्ड दिखाई देते हैं.
ये जगह जितनी खूबसूरत दिखती है ना, उससे कहीं ज्यादा खतरनाक भी.
There have been a number of movies based on the Kargil war been made, but Shersha has come closest to reaching the most success as a film. It is easily the most successful and famous Hindi cinema of the year that is said to have powerhouse performances from both Dilli, Siddharth Malhotra and Kyra Advani.
कोई फिक्र न कर जानी, मैं तिरंगा लहरा कर आऊँ, नहीं तो उसमें लिपट क्या हूँ. लेकिन आऊंगा जरूर.
Number 4. Sherni. From the director of 2017 movie Newton that I wouldn't mind considering a masterpiece, this time the director brings in the story of a forest officer played by Vidya Balan who tries to make a balance in the world of human-animal conflict.
फिर लोग अपने जानवरों को चराने कहाँ ले जाएंगे सर?
जहाँ चाहे वहाँ ले जाए, कोई हमारा ठेका थोड़ी है.
Vidya Balan has already received the Best Actress award at the Indian Film Festival of Melbourne, and aside from being praised for having a great lead performance, it is also noted for having a great insight into the age-old conflict between humans and nature.
शेर की आंखों में देखकर मैं पहचान जाता हूँ कि वो आदमखोर है या नहीं.
तो फिर एक काम करते हैं, शेर की कुंडली बनवा लेते हैं. कुंडली देख के पता चल जाएगा कि वो कब और कहाँ मिलेगा. एक बार शेर मिल गया तो आप उसकी आंख में आंख डालकर.
From the perspective of the praises it got, it gives well enough vibes of a great Indian cinema of the year. Number 3. Hangama Hai Kyun Badpa. Though it's actually an episode from the anthology TV series Rai, but as it's a solid 1 hour of individual story, I can't think of anything other than calling it a movie.
पर ये जो वक्त है ना मियाँ, बड़ी कुत्ती चीज है.
Rai was great at using colors in all its episodes, and this one too was a fine example. Directed by Abhishek Chaubey, this one tells the story of a person with a disease called kleptomania where he always wants to steal things, and once on a train he meets up with the same man once he stole a valuable watch from.
तूने मेरे जिगर के टुकड़े को मुझसे नहीं चुराया, तूने मेरी किस्मत में सेंध लगाई है, किस्मत में सेंध लगाई है, बहन के टके तेरी माँ को.
Powered by wholesome performances, this one impressively always holds a pretty interesting atmosphere over the whole runtime.
रीढ़ की हड्डी टूट गई, कुश्ती छूट गई, लेकिन चुल नहीं छूटी.
छुट्टी कहाँ है काफिर, मुंह से लगी हुई.
Number 2. Ramprasad Ki Tervi. Ramprasad Ki Tervi is highly considered the most impressive family drama of the year. It's funny, sad and human all over. The story sets in a family where the oldest member of them dies, but instead of remorses, griefs, the whole family is rather excited, confused or hyperactive about the whole ritual.
मुखाग्नि देने वाला इस घर से बाहर नहीं जा सकता.
क्यों नहीं जा सकता?
अरे if he wants to go, he can definitely go. कमाल.
यहाँ बैठकर क्या मटर छीलेगा औरतों के साथ?
मटर छीलेगा? आपने तो कहा था कि सादा खाना बनेगा.
This directional debut from Seema Pawa was actually released in 2019 but had its national release on this very first day of the year and got liked by most audiences.
You think I'm a fool?
अरे तू बचपन में इतिहास के पेपर का भूगोल रट्टा करके गया था और वही ठोक के भी आया है.
अपनी बारी भूल गई. होम साइंस की क्लास में इनको भिंडी बनानी थी, सॉल्ट की जगह सोडा डाल दिया, लेस ही लेस हो गया भिंडी में.
Number 1. Sardar Udham.
सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है इक्वालिटी. इक्वालिटी, हर इंसान को बराबर समझना और ह्यूमैनिटी में विश्वास होना चाहिए. फर्क है काके, समझे?
This visual stunning, well-performed movie with a chillness all over is the most appreciated and liked Hindi movie of the year. Shruti Sirkar's patriotic drama about Sardar Udham, who assassinated the man responsible for the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. The film's narrative is pretty different than an ordinary movie in Bollywood in the same category would be.
हजारों को मारा इसने.
Shruti Sirkar is always known for making movies way part of Bollywood norms with outstanding presentation, and this one is no different.
फ्री स्पीच ऑलवेज, छीनो मत. शेयर मिल बांट के, यू मी यू, मिल बांट के.
So there is the list. Comment down a movie that you think we have missed. Till then, subscribe to the channel for more content like this and take care.